Today I'm doing a scenic coast walk from Manly Beach in New South Wales, Australia to Yiningma Lookout. This walk takes about 1 hour and the route follows the shoreline from Shelley Beach, winding along some stunning trails. After setting off from Manly Beach, I headed towards Shelley Beach, a small popular spot known for its crystal clear waters, and from there I simply followed the signpost towards Fairfax Trail. Once I reached Yiningma Lookout, I took a moment to appreciate the incredible view, and as luck would have it, within just 5 minutes of arriving, I spotted something amazing. This part of the year, October, is prime whale watching season. Humpbacks migrate from their breeding grounds in the warm waters of Queensland back to Antarctica for the summer. This coastline is part of what's known as a Humpback Highway, a major migration route where more than 30,000 humpbacks pass each year. Humpback whales are famous for their acrobatics, and they didn't disappoint today. I was able to fly my drone out and capture some stunning footage of these beautiful animals, including a few playful tail slaps. They were so close to the cliff, at some points I was able to hear their calls. This walk from Manly Beach to Yiningma Lookout is already amazing on its own, but getting to see 3 pods of humpback whales made it truly special. If you're ever in the area during whale season, I highly recommend doing this trail to the lookout. You can also get a ferry from Sydney Harbour to Manly that only takes about 30 minutes, so it's really easy to get to. I hope you enjoyed the video.